Yeah. When you were little.
And we found alligators. There's one over there.
There he goes. He's watching him. Oh, he went under. He's got to sneak up on him.
No, I don't want to see that.
Here he comes.
Why am I stupid? He's looking, you see? See his eyes right above the water?
He's inching closer.
Come on,
They're
fly
both
away,
going
stupid.
slow. He sees him.
Fly away.
Right up ahead is about an 8-foot alligator. Hope you guys enjoyed the wetlands. A couple of alligators, iguanas, herons, turtles. Have a great day. Thank you very much for viewing. I know what beaches are like. I've been to the beach. I figure you guys would take a nice look, see what a beach is all about. We're tripping down south, just enjoying the time. So heading on to another spot, definitely indeed. Gonna have a great time. That is tied down. Very interesting. How a giant floating kite. Very interesting.
How you doing?
All right, and you?
What are you doing?
Dinner. Could not record, but hey, it was fun. Corned beef. All right. What can I say? Ben, that's about it, Ben. All I'm gonna say, Ben. Don't come to Ben with your camera. He ain't gonna let you record. Have a great day. Off we go.